to be heard. My wounded wings to be
I think we need to have a little chat, don't you? Will I see you tomorrow? At school, I mean. Probably. Promise? That depends. Stella, I'm here if you need somebody to talk to.
Thanks. You're not gonna wait for me, are you?
Can't just be doing us like that because we're at school for one, and number two, I'm your teacher. Yes. And it's a little bit inappropriate, don't you think?
No more inappropriate than last night.
Look, it's okay to feel things, emotions. Just be yourself. Stella, wait. Can you just hold on for a sec? Why? It's okay, you can do it again. But I helped. Sorry, was this seat taken? I've got a boyfriend, okay?
You failed to mention me before.
He never came up.
So I tell you every little detail about my life and you just don't mention him?
No, because you're my student, Stella. Nothing was going to happen.
And what if I wasn't?
I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside.